Welcome back, ladies, to Sister Land Investors. This podcast number 73 is all about your authentic entrepreneur journey as a land investors in today's market. I'm Elizabeth, your host, mentor, and fellow land investor. I am so excited to have all of you ladies here today. If you're new, this is a place where we talk about turning land into legacy, empowering other women like you to build wealth without sacrificing what matters most, your family, your peace, and your authenticity. Today's episode is all about embodying your truth, your authentic entrepreneur journey as a land investor in today's market. I'll be sharing my own story, the ups and downs, and real truths about building my journey in land investing. Journey didn't start with a grand plan or a fancy degree. It started with a moment of truth, a whisper that said, this isn't enough. I, as a mom of two, working a corporate business from 9 to 5, feeling like I was always playing catch up. The daily grinds from running to schools, working 9 to 5, calling clients, trying to keep it all together left me exhausted. Deep down, I knew there was more. Not just for me, but for my family. A legacy that went beyond a paycheck to paycheck life. That's when land caught my eye. It wasn't stocks. It wasn't crypto that felt volatile and overwhelming. Land was real. It was tangible, something I could touch, go visit, pass down. And I remember my first Joe, a small plot in rural Texas that I bought for under 10,000. I did it quietly, researching a late night after the kids were asleep. No big fanfare, just me trusting my own gut. That authenticity, starting small and true to myself, was the foundation of everything that followed. In today's market, things have evolved with rising interest rates and urban sprawls of land values that are shifting. But here's the truth. Authenticity is your superpower, ladies. I didn't pretend to be a high roller investor. I shared my real story, mistakes that included what connected me with other women and other investors. Sister Land Investors was born from that, a community where we embody our truths, not some polished facade. If you're listening and you're feeling that spark within yourself, know this. Your journey starts with honoring where you are right now, this moment. Investing in this fast changing world, whether you're a mom, a professional, you're starting out, this is for you ladies who want to invest authentically. Grab your favorite drink, settle in, some coffee, tea. Let's get started and let's get real about creating path that truly is yours. Let's dive in. Navigating today's market. Fast forward to today. The land market is a new ballgame. We're dealing with inflation, supply chain issues affecting development, even climate considerations influencing land values, and it's driving demand for affordable land. But competition is fierce. As a woman investor, we often face extra hurdles, like balancing the family demands or overcoming doubts from others who think this is a man's world. And it's not. Let me get real with my challenges. Early on, I told many of you ladies here that I lost money. I've had a lot of huge learning experiences, as I like to call them, not losses or failures, but learning experiences or setbacks. And those are important for us to share so you as a listener and you investor could learn and grow from it. We've overlooked zoning. We've overlooked surveyors. And these are all important. And we share them with everyone so you don't make the same mistakes. In today's market with remote work booming and rural land is hot, but so are the risks. Vitality from economic shifts means prices can fluctuate widely, but owning the truth is owning those setbacks. I learned to pivot. I focus on undervalued markets like recreational land near growing cities where returns could hit anywhere from 20 to 60% in a year if you play it right. For our ladies out there, here's some authentic advice. Don't chase the trends. If anything, run away from the trends. Don't chase trends blindly. In 2025, look at sustainable land. Properties with eco-friendly potential, like those suitable for solar farms or conservations. Authenticity always wins. Build your brand around your story. I started sharing my journey on social media, and it attracted a lot of investors and partners who value realness over the hype. Remember, in a market full of noise, your truth cuts through. It's not about being perfect. It's about being persistent and true to your vision. Tips for your authentic journey. So how do you start on your authentic land journey or land investing journey? Let's break it down with some practical from the heart tips tailored for busy women like ourselves, like us. Embrace your why. Get started with your why. For us, it was our kids. We wanted to spend more time with our kids. We wanted to make sure we were there. They needed us for school, for whatever. I felt like I wanted to be there every single step of the way. Pick them up, drop them off. That was my why. What is your why? Start with that. Why land? For me, it was legacy, something that kids could inherit. Write down your why. It's your financial freedom, family security, or personal growth. Let that guide your every decision. In today's market with tools like online marketplaces, you can research from home, from your cell phone, from your iPad. You could do it while the kids are playing baseball or softball or volleyball. You could do it from anywhere, waiting in line for the kids. I've posted land for sale on the MLS, waiting for my kids in line in the school line. Use that time to research the area. No need to be a full-time hustler. Fit it into your life. Again, I like to tell all the ladies here, there's not a balance. A lot of you, that's one of the main questions we get. How do you balance it? It's not a balance. To me, it's a dance, either one step forward or one step backward. It's a dance. Just keep moving and do it the way you like. Because if you try to balance it, well, at least for me, if I try to balance it, I get overwhelmed. I take the call when I can. Like if I get a call right now, I'm with you ladies right here. I don't get the call. But if I'm doing coffee or dinner, I'll take the call. If I'm out to dinner with my family, I'll take the call. I want the kids to listen to me speak to investors or sellers or buyers. So again, it's a dance. You decide what's your next move, what's your next turn, and enjoy every step of the way. I like to remind my ladies to have fun with every little thing you do. There's no other way to live your life but to have fun and build wealth. Educate and network authentically. Ladies, don't go doing this by yourself. Join our community of Sisterland investors. All you have to do is follow us on social media where we share real stories, not just the wins. We have many setbacks, virtual meetups, face-to-face meetups. We started doing these recently. We did a couple in Florida. We've done a couple here in Houston. Make sure you follow us. But join whenever you can. Try to come to these meetups. I love to meet every single one of you. In 2025, virtual meetups and apps make networking super easy. Easy ways for us to connect. I like to connect. I like to mentor. I like to learn from others. I connect with mentors who are moms too. They have taught me so much. They're other either business owners or investors. And I learned so much from you and I appreciate every single one of you. So we're always learning. It's a give and take. It's a dance also with other moms and other entrepreneurs. So make sure you network with other moms, and they don't have to be from this community. It could be out in your community where you live. Go take a walk with another mom that has her own business. Ask her, what do you invest on the side? What are you passionate about on this side? I want to know from you. Leave me comments. They teach us so much. Focus on today's trends. Raw land flipping is huge. Again, for us, we don't just buy and turn around and sell it. We're starting to keep a few here and there. We are doing a lot of seller finance. I like to be the bank. That's my forte. I love to be the bank. So if you need money, DM us. We like to lend on great plots. Again, ladies, land flipping is huge. So if you buy a piece of property that's, let's say, 10,000 for you, and you turn around and you could sell it for 20,000, you got yourself a nice little profit. And you repeat it and do it over and over and do it bigger. With quick returns, if you spot undervalue land using GIS maps, Zillow or LandWatch, it's a game changer. Life balance or life dance that I like to call, and self-care. This is huge as moms, as professional women, investors. This is huge if you're trying to run your own land business and do everything else. You can feel burned out and overwhelmed if you're not careful. You have to take care of yourself. Again, I like to tell the ladies here in this community, have fun. Make it fun. Whatever fun looks for you, bring that into your day. Embody the truth by setting boundaries. Schedule me time. Ladies, I couldn't do it or wouldn't do as much as I do if I didn't have my own time. And for me, it's early in the morning when the kids are off to school and my husband's out the house. I take time to do a little walk for myself, a little meditation, whatever it is for you. Take time for yourself. It could be early in the morning or after the kids go to sleep, whatever it is for you, whatever time you find, but make sure you spend at least 30 minutes with yourself. Make sure you spend time with yourself. In this market, patience pays. Hold land during dips for bigger gains. And remember, authenticity attracts abundance, ladies. Authenticity attracts abundance. Share your journey, build the trust. It'll open doors for you. Okay, quick time for Q&A. One of the questions comes from Maria in Austin, Texas. How do I stay authentic with when the market feels overwhelming? That's a great one, Maria. Ground yourself in your values. What is your why? Get very clear on what your why is. When deals get stressful, which they do, you have to revisit your why. Revisit that'll fuel you. For me, it's my kids, spending time with my kids, making sure that they have everything they want and they need. This is my why. Whatever your why is, get connected with that and revisit your whys often. If someone invites you to go have drinks, is that part of your why? I mean, if you worked all day, that could be part of your why. You need the little life balance or your little life dance. So revisit your why as often as you can. Have it in front of you. Use a simple tool like free market reports to stay informed without getting overloaded. I recommend going to Zillow, LandWatch, seeing what's out there and doing the comparison, and lean onto your community. That's why we're here. DM us how we can help you. Here we remind you, authenticity is not about knowing everything because we don't know everything, but it's about learning and growing together. It's about showing up as you are. It's about having the questions that you do. If you have a question or a story, DM us at Sisterland Investors or email us at info@Sisterland Investors, and we're happy to answer any question. Maria, you're doing great. Take time every morning or night, whenever you can. If you have kids, I don't know if you have kids, but take time to listen to your why. I think that's huge. We all have to have a reason why we do what we do, and let that fuel us to prosper and to do great for our kids and our families. I promise you, if you invest a few minutes here and there, they do compound. They add up and it will get you further in life. And then when you look back, all these little decisions and all these times that you took 30 minutes here and there, they compound and you'll be so happy and grateful a year from now looking back. Okay, ladies. Woo, what a journey we shared today. From my spark to navigating today's market, embodied truth is a key for your path in land investing. Remember, sisters, your authenticity is your edge. Start small, stay true, and build that legacy. A little homework for all you ladies here. Reflect on your why. Reflect on your why this week. Write it down. Keep it forefront. Why is it that you want to start land investing? More time with your kids, building generational wealth, whatever it may be. Share it with us. I like to hear. Until next time, keep embodying your truth. Again, this is Elizabeth. I'm signing off from Sisterland Investors. You've got this, ladies. You're not alone. DM us, follow us on Sisterland Investors. Until next time, we'll see you on the next podcast. Love you, ladies. Lavish blessings to every single one of you.